I think few people realize what an extraordinary collection of Renaissance paintings are to be found here in the city of Bologna. Pinacoteca is the Italian word for painting gallery and should not be confused with paninoteca, which is a place where you get sandwiches. And the collection of paintings here at the Pinacoteca Nazionale di Bologna is world class and includes pieces by Giotto, Perugino, Raphael, Titian, Parmigianino, Carracci, and Artemisia Gentileschi. So when you come to Bologna, after a nice lasagna lunch, stop by the Pinacoteca and admire the masterpieces. And don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so you don't miss out on any of the great weekly content that we shoot here directly in Italy.